If you're a content creator or YouTuber and you want the best quality video from your phone, you cannot be using the camera that's in the front. Everybody uses the front camera because you could obviously see yourself. This is the front facing camera. The quality is okay. It's not that bad. I mean, it's doable, but why not get the best quality you can with your iPhone? The best camera is the camera that's on the back, the main camera. And it gives you the best dynamic range and the highest quality video possible. How are you going to make video if you can't see yourself? The trick is you have to get yourself a display like this, the Shimbol CP5. Now the cool thing is this is MagSafe, magnetic in the back. It sticks just like this, and then now you could film yourself using the main strongest camera. Now this is the back camera. Look how great the quality is. I know I'm cheating a little because I'm using a professional light, but I just wanted to show you just how great the video in your phone can look. And now you could even get ultra wide angle lens and still see yourself. It's easy to connect. Pull down the iPhone menu and tap on the mirror button. Show more and tap on CP5. There's hardly any lag. You can adjust the brightness, fill the screen, mirror flip. You can also connect to the iPhone Bluetooth, so you can use the CP5 button to record and stop. I definitely recommend the Shimbol CP5 display. Discount code link below.